Booker Rippy. I'm gonna run up a row of rigs here at the Scout National, Friday the 13th, Springfield, Ohio. Navistar International Plant, Scout Nationals, the Gold Miners truck from the early 70s, mid 74, one with different colors on it. The yellow guy. Even more colors of green on even. Looks like a new fender on the back. It's still black. Welded in the corners. Green. This one's definitely yellow over here though. 77 Scout. One under the tent. One with mirrors under it. I've seen one like this before. I don't think it's the same one for some reason. Georgia. I don't think. I've seen one that color before. He parks it in different Pennsylvania, but oh, it is from Erie, Pennsylvania. Maybe it is. It's got a permanent for sale sign on it. It's kind of what you have to do that sometimes. Pretty interesting looking rig right there. Scout Traveler. $1979. I guess, you know, something like that's redone, so you don't know, but you would assume that that one's been run into pretty good right here, but you could assume that that's like original where it hadn't been wrecked before. It's kind of the point of the all different color one. Someone's twanged the bumper pretty good there at one time. Like, it looks fresh. Because, I mean, that's hard to do for, you know, that many years. That's why some of those rigs, I'm thinking that they belong in museums. I mean, Minnesota. Illinois. Check out this guy. Is this your favorite one? It might be. I don't see that guy's red one here this year so far. That's about as good as it gets right there from a truck point. It's not a Scout, so can't be my favorite Scout, but it's a. And I have a Ford truck, so if I really wanted one, I would have one. But that was part of why it's so special about the AMCs and the Internationals, is that they're not a Ford or Chevy. Pretty risky to. I wonder if that's like a fresh rest, like you just got it finished for the show. Spiffy, very spiffy. That's what that yellow one over there. We've seen it before, so we know it's been done a while. And you'll see those guys. They'll never sell a truck, and they put it away where no one can see it. And it's like, you think he still has that truck? And it's, yeah. This isn't the 80. I was wondering if these guys are from like Erie, PA or something again. This one's been in all the magazines and everything. It sits on the end. I don't know. It just says PA. But anyway. A Maryland guy here. How many more I gotta go here? I know my camera's definitely getting hot. More pickup looking ones. And this is a Scout Row. He's got like a sign from a dealership on that orange. Maybe it is a Scout. All Cabot, PA. That's where they have the Jamboree. Scout Terra. He's calling it a Scout Terra. And that's a Scout Traveler. And so it's a Scout robe, but it's not so much Scouts. Kind of a cool factory graphic on that guy. But that's not a Scout, is it? I mean, I don't know. So anyway, someone come up with a purple one. The Maryland one has the racks on the top. I'm sure all those guys got big YouTube channels. One in white, different than the other ones. Then as far as the stance, he has like a Corvette L88 snorkel on it. 79. Street rod vibe from that guy, and a diesel one here from Virginia. And a beautiful blue with the white fender flares. Immaculate underneath. Somewhere in Pennsylvania. Pretty comfortable looking in there. Black interior with a spotlight on it. Over to the Scout Nationals. Checking out real high-end Scouts on Friday, June the 13th with Burger Ruby. Thanks for watching.